In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, having a portfolio on your Indeed profile can really set you apart from other candidates. It showcases your skills and highlights your work in a way that a simple resume often can't. With that in mind, let's go through the steps to create and add your portfolio. To start off, you'll want to head over to the Indeed website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option labeled Profile on the top menu. This is where you'll be able to add different elements to your profile, including your portfolio. Once you're in your profile section, scroll down until you see the portfolio section. If it's your first time setting this up, you might see a prompt to add a new portfolio. Go ahead and click on the Add Portfolio button. A new window should pop up, giving you the option to begin creating your portfolio. Now it's time to personalize your portfolio. You'll want to give it a clear and catchy title that reflects the work you're showcasing. Keep in mind that this is your chance to highlight your strengths and what makes you unique, so choose a title that resonates with your potential employers. After you've settled on a title, the next step is to start adding content. Indeed allows you to upload various types of files, including documents, images, and links to projects or online work. Click on the Add Item button, and you will see options to upload from your device or add links from the web. If you're uploading files, I recommend keeping them professional. This means using high-quality images or well-formatted documents that represent your work accurately. When you upload an item, take a moment to write a brief description. This is crucial because it gives context to your work, helping employers understand what they're looking at. Describe your role in each project, the skills you used, and the outcome. A compelling description can really engage hiring managers and make your portfolio more impactful. Once you've uploaded a few items, it's a good idea to organize them in a way that makes sense. Consider grouping similar projects together or arranging them chronologically to demonstrate your growth and development. After you're satisfied with the content and layout of your portfolio, you'll want to review everything one last time. Check for any typos or broken links and make sure that all your uploads are working correctly. This quick review can save you from potential embarrassment when employers check your portfolio. Finally, when everything looks perfect, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click that, and your portfolio will be live on your Indeed profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a portfolio to your Indeed profile. This feature not only helps you stand out, but also gives potential employers a glimpse into your capabilities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to like the video.